Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into the world of delicious baked goods with a spotlight on Simple Mills almond flour baking mix, specifically their pumpkin muffin and bread mix. If you're on the hunt for the best pumpkin muffin available, you've come to the right place. Simple Mills has been making waves in the baking world with their commitment to clean, nutritious ingredients that don't compromise on taste. And this pumpkin muffin and bread mix is no exception. It's gluten-free, plant-based, and paleo-friendly, making it suitable for a wide range of dietary preferences. What sets this mix apart is its simplicity. With just a few additional ingredients like eggs, water, and oil, you can whip up a batch of moist, flavorful pumpkin muffins or bread in no time. Plus, it's incredibly versatile. You can make 9 regular-sized muffins, 36 mini muffins, or even a loaf of bread with one box. But let's talk about the star of the show, the taste. These pumpkin muffins are a true delight for the taste buds. The blend of organic spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves gives them that quintessential fall flavor, while the almond flour base adds a delicate nuttiness that perfectly complements the sweetness of the pumpkin. Whether you're enjoying them for breakfast, as a snack, or as a dessert, these pumpkin muffins are sure to satisfy your cravings. And with Simple Mills' commitment to using real, purposeful ingredients, you can feel good about indulging in every bite. In conclusion, Simple Mills' almond flour baking mix, pumpkin muffin and bread mix is hands down the best pumpkin muffin option on the market. It's easy to make, packed with wholesome ingredients, and bursting with flavor. So why wait? Elevate your baking game this season with Simple Mills. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews.